Welcome back to the Love Vegan Kitchen, and this week one of my favourites. I'm often asked by someone behind the camera, I'm hungry, I want something spicy, so I'm going to be making one of my favourites. It's a Korean style spicy tofu. I'm going to be making this with a Gochujang Korean red pepper sauce. I've often seen this made with up to 11 ingredients, which is just crazy, and there are lots of things you won't have in your house, so I've brought it back down to the basics to make a really simple sauce out of everything you'll either have at home or at your local convenience store. The only thing you might have to pop out and get for your local Asian supermarket is the Gochujang sauce. Please forgive my pronunciation. So we're going to start by adding some sesame oil to a bowl, some crushed garlic, some ginger paste, a little bit of brown sugar, and I'm going to sweeten it up with some teriyaki sauce. Just to finish it off, a few extra chili flakes. Never hurt anyone. So let's get making our sauce. I'm going to add in a dash of the sesame oil, and then we're making this for 4, so I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic paste and 2 teaspoons of crushed ginger. Oh, it smells good already. Next up, our sauce. Some sauces are a lot more spicy than others, so you're going to have to experiment and play around. If you don't like things too spicy, start off with just a few teaspoons and then build it up and up from there. This one's a fairly mild one, hence the extra chili flakes, but some of them you'll find are super spicy. So we're going to add in, let's be generous to 4 people. Actually, you know what? I'm going to go 3 teaspoons. This is looking good. Okay. A little bit of teriyaki just to sweeten it up. It's about 2 teaspoons there. And if you like a little more sweetness, we can just pop in a little bit of brown sugar. There we go. Let's give this a mix. And you should see this turn into a really nice red paste. It smells good. It smells like a bibimbap kind of sauce. So you just need to whisk it up until all your ingredients are mixed in. It should look quite thick. There we go. So that's one simple sauce made. I'm going to jump over to the hob. We're going to crisp up our tofu. Then as soon as it's ready, we're going to add in the sauce, coat all this tofu, and then serve it on a bed of warm rice. So to a pan, we're just going to add a little bit of oil. And we're just going to crisp up at least 2 sides of our tofu. So you literally just want to leave this in the pan until one side's crisped up, flip it over, crisp at the other side, and just keep flipping it until there's a little bit of firmness to the outside but still sort of soft on the inside. So when you get your tofu to the desired consistency, you can, if you're cooking another dish, you can take it off the heat and then bring it back and add your sauce. But because we're just making tofu and sauce, When you've got it how you want it, you can just add the sauce in next. Personally, I prefer my tofu a little bit crispier, but today I think we're just going to leave it soft. So while our tofu had just finished browning off, we put some rice on to cook. Now everything's nearly ready, we're just going to add our sauce to the tofu. All you need to do is just make sure the tofu is nicely coated in your chili sauce. So this is usually where you find out that your sauce that didn't smell that spicy when you were making it actually is about to come alive. Oh, look at that, absolutely delicious. Oh, it smells so good. As soon as everything is coated and the sauce is warmed up, we're going to serve up our rice and our tofu. So we'll jump back to the counter and dish up. So now our rice and tofu is ready. We're just ready to dish up. So I'm going to use a little bowl, like a rice mountain. We're going to add in our tofu. Just going to top this off with some green onions. And to top it all off, I'm just going to put a sprinkle of sesame seeds on, just to finish it off. There we go, one spicy hot tofu ready to serve. We'd love to see your creations. Do tag us on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.